Hear one?
Yeah.
Don't move up no higher, baby. All right. That's good blue, ain't it? Hey, there's another one down there.
Go.
Sir. That's what we're talking about, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Nice blue. Nice blue, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Put it on in. Sir. This old line paying off, ain't it? Let's hold on that wheel. 3 fish last night. 2 fish this morning. Or 2 fish this morning. All right, guys. That one there paid off pretty good, didn't it? That's the line we caught the 3 big fish last night on. Look at there. That's what we're talking about, ain't it?
Big half in blue.
It sure is. Good eater. Another good fish, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, that's a good one. Good old blue, ain't it? All right, let's put him in the live well. All right. Oh, we got a mess of fish clean, don't we? We get back to camp. All right, guys. Hey, appreciate you watching and sharing these videos. If you're not following, be sure to follow me. Thank you for all y'all support. And as always, if you see a veteran, please thank for his services. If it wasn't for those guys done what they did, we couldn't do what we're doing. So, thank them. Appreciate you. See you on the next video.